Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this Doveed Jumbo Atomic Digital Clock. The model type is the YT60215, and here we get also an instruction manual, but I'm not going to show you everything. What you need is this table that describes all the functions. What we have here is really a huge, very stylish, fancy display of the time, a little bit smaller the months and the day and the date, and even a little bit smaller the temperature, but still pretty large, and especially the time. That's the huge thing. No matter where you have it on a wall or so, you can be so far away, absolutely no problem, you will be able to see it from everywhere. And you can see visibility is usually really great unless you go really down or you hang it up on a very high point on a high wall or so. Also from the top it's pretty good unless you go really high. Also from the side it's not bad. So usually visibility is really good, but it doesn't have any background illumination. There's no external power supply, there's only battery inside. We have this here, you can see that we have to apply 4 times AA batteries, and here we have to apply 2 times AAA batteries, the small ones, and we have to apply them within 3 minutes so they can sync to each other. We have also a channel setting here. It's on channel 1 by default, but you can buy additional sensors, up to 3 of them, and then connect them to this clock as well. And here we have all the functions with the setting: alarm, different time zones, automatic atomic clock time and date synchronization. Unfortunately, in instructions there is something mentioned about waves or so. You have to press the waves button. There's no wave button, that's the button here. If you long press for 3 seconds, it goes automatically into the reception of the atomic time, which is emitted a couple of times per day, or I think mainly during the night. So you can set up the time also manually here, and with a short press on the RCC button we can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And what's important here, also the channel setting, I'm going to show you that later. We have 3 holes here where you can hook it up on a wall very easy. We also have this stand, but the stand has only one setting, so it's almost straight. I mean, that provides a good visibility, but that's the only option you have. Then regarding the 3 holes, it's not possible to use only the one in the middle because it's not centered. I mean, it's centered regarding the size dimensions, but it's not centered regarding the weight because of the batteries here. There's more weight here, so you have to apply at least 2 or 3 of the screws or nails. Then regarding the channel settings, you can see here we are connected with channel 1, that's channel 1 from here, and we have good reception, which is indicated by these 3 bars here. And when we hit the channel button in the back, you can see we go to channel 1, but there's no sensor at the moment, channel 3. And there's also a cycling mode where it goes through all the possible channels, all the 3 channels. But since we have just one, I hit the channel button one more time, it goes back to only channel 1, which is the one which we need here. The sensor has also a hole in the back to mount it easily with 1 screw. The sensor itself is IPX4 waterproof, means actually more splash proof, and most people are considering this also rainproof, but I would be careful with this thing. I would recommend to mount it in an area where it doesn't get wet from rain, and it's also not going to hit by sunlight, otherwise it's heating up, and of course then it will show inaccurate numbers. But apart from that, looks everything really good, nice, beautiful, fancy. So if you're also a big fan of large numbers, big style, then this could be the thing for you. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.